Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Light Show, and thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and I'm trying to sikhuluma ngenimba. Well, guys, inimba ke liphelile bakithi. Season 1 wenimba uphelile. Finale episode was on Friday. Last bone khona, guys, uThumeka ke ithatha imitholo yakhe ethi yena uyahamba. Saphinde sabona ke uLazarus proposer uzoleka ukuthi ke uyamthatha ke officially, guys. So we are just waiting for season 2. But again, in waiting, guys, because season 2 uzoqala ngomhla ka 2 March 2026. So guys, while we are waiting, so inimba, guys, production yakhona ke itheke izosenzela ke mhla ka 16, 17, 18 sizobuka ke i-story bayibiza ukuthi ke it's inimba director's cut, ama episode noma ke izinto ezakhathwa ama directors angayibona thina ekade ishuthiwe ke bekade beyishuthile ke oThumeka, njengokuthi nje kwasale kwenzekalani uzoleka ngesikhathi ehamba eya overseas, futhi ke waye communicator yini, I'm not sure ukuthi sizoyibona yini le ukuthi ke uHlathi wahamba othenga ijudge or something. Will be like watching those kind of izinto abayikhatha ngesikhathi ke be decide ukuthi ke yini abazoyifaka ku season 1. Sizoyibuka mhla 16, mhla 17, mhla 18. The time goes by, guys. I don't know ukuthi ke yini sobe siyibuka, but I think it just a week or 2 weeks. Let me just check, guys. Let me just check the calendar ukuthi from namhlanje kuleli week actually. Let me just check the calendar, guys. Umhla ka 15, so it's gonna be 2 full weeks. But next week, guys, mhla 16, 17 and 18 sizobona ke that director's cut yenimba. But next week so singenalo ke inimba. I don't know ukuthi sizobukani ke laphana ke le slot lesiyana, but ke guys, yeah, that's what you can hope for as we are waiting for season 2. Please do comment, guys, kuma comment ke usho ukuthi ke what are your expectations for season 2? You know, ofisa ukuyibona mapha changes ofisa ukuwabona. Yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.